count occurrences in each dataframe row, then create column with most frequent. I am trying to compare the 3 floats in a row of a dataframe that is 500000x3. I expect the 3 values to be the same, or at least 2 of them. I want to select the value that occurs the most under the presumption that they are not all different. My current attempt with a toy example is like thus. I am then thinking of looping over counts and selecting the top value for each, but this is very slow and feels anti-pandas. I have also tried this with the intention of keeping rows which evaluate to true and doing something to those that do not, but I have thousands of nan values in the real thing, and apparently nan equals nan is false. Any suggestions?
Here's a fast approach I learned from it called speed.e. Explanation. We can get the one-hot encoding of the items present in each column using pd.get_dummies. Since get_dummies won't take numbers, we have to convert them to strings. Now if you group only the numbers in the column and sum them, we can get the value counts for each row. I.e. Using IDSmax, axis equals 1, on the one-hot encoding will get you the column names, which is the required maximum repeated number in the row. Edit. If you have strings in your data frame, then go for get_dummies. That would be faster than anything. If you have numbers, then you have to go for SCPy mode or pandas mode.
We can use mode. After assign it back.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.